to this error, which is error EMFILE, too many open files. Watch at this FSEvent.FSWatcher. You need to first look at and see if you have open more than probably 5 to 7 files. You need to close all and try and see. If you try and it keeps showing like that, then you need to open your command prompt and try to reinstall Watchman and Brew. But what you have to do first is to try to upgrade your Brew first. Then you try to see if you can install the Watchman as well. So, but mostly it's either the Watchman or you need to simply update the Brew. So first, in order to be safe, just try to update the Brew first. Then after that, you would install the Watchman after that. So as you can see, I just did an upgrade for the Brew, and I'll try to install the Watchman after this. So Brew is upgraded, so 4 updated formulas installed. So let's look at Brew install Watchman. Yeah, I type in Watchman here. So yeah, so I'm trying to double check with that, the upgrade, and then install before I rerun this again. So let's wait for some couple of minutes. So it's gonna check everything and then see if you have no Brew installed. It's gonna install everything from scratch. So just hold on for a little while, and then I will run that real quick here. Just a minute. I'll be real back. Just a minute, and then we'll continue with this. What I have done, that is installing the Brew and then installing the Watchman, and it still does not work. Pay attention to this, because this is most others do not get this to work for them. That is Brew update. After the update, they did not get this to work. So what you have to do, if it still does not work after you've installed the Brew and then you have installed the Watchman, which I just did in the video, let me see, the other command is here. After the Brew install, I run the Brew upgrade. So, and then I did the Watchman install. So if you do all these two and it still does not work, what you have to do is to simply delete the node model inside, like the node_model. Just delete that, move to trash. Then you go to the command line here and then type npm, just type npm install, and that will reinstall the model back. And after it does the npm restore, which is gonna bring a new node_models here. So let's wait for it to install. Now that it is done, now you can run npx expo stat, then you click enter. So one of this should solve your problems for you. So I go, then this one opens for me. Yeah, it seems there's a delay there, but it's checking the bundle and then it opens. So this is what it's the problem for solving this kind of error. So I want to go back again and then once more take you through. First, I said if you do brew upgrade, first just run that first, brew upgrade, then you wait for it to install. So if brew upgrade does not work, then you go ahead and try brew install Watchman. So Watchman, after you install this and it still does not work, just leave it alone and go and delete the node_models. That's what I just did. After you have deleted that into the trash, now you run install and you just run npm install. After this, then you can run your npx. After this, you run your npx just to start your app. After this, you run nps export stats, then you'll get your code running. So this is all you get to do when you have a problem with that kind of error. Peace, I'm out. If you have any question, leave it at a comment and then I'll get back to you. Any problem, just leave it at a comment and I'll help you out. Peace.